Welcome, guys. So, another off the charts weekly stream, and I'm hosting you tonight with a view on Bitcoin. We'll check what's possible, what's not, what's the biggest macro view, and how do I see it, and yeah, just general idea and sentiment. So, let's just say we did form on the weekly here. Market structure wise, this is a higher low. Okay, and this is a potential another high low, and this is a major support level there. So let's just mark this level as a weekly support, and let's take the newest resistances possible on the weekly that could happen. So this is another one, you see. So basically just looking at like this block, as we had 3 weeks of consolidation in this zone, and then a push up, really strong push up, and then we came back to retest the support. So this support here on the weekly is really important. Let's just take some EMAs. Let's just take some EMAs, and if we see here, this is the 89 weekly EMA. That's a really good support with this level. So if we lose this, we will go to 36 here, and then to these lows, to test those. But let's not be gloom now. Let's just check what we have. We'll take these fibs from the last move up, and here we will see that we also have the 786 fib as a confluence. So we have 3 things working for us now. We have the 89 EMA, the weekly support, and the 786 fib. So on the way down, we can see these fibs really played the move, and now so we're at the key level. Let's just mark it with the box here so we know. Okay, now we know where we at. Okay, so we got this box. Let's go down to the daily. Let's just remove EMAs for now, and on the daily we can see this level is important. Let's just go back. I forgot to do one thing. I really like this as a line here. Okay, okay, so we see the daily needs to hold this zone again, and we can see we're in a downtrend, really downtrend pattern. Bounce, come down. So let's check the RSI. RSI has a high low, so that's a bullish divergence. We have a higher low and the lower low at support. So, but the volume today, yesterday's volume gave some possibility, but today's volume is already rejecting. So, a keynote: if we lose this level, we will go down fast to this zone. So we have a daily support there. Oops, no, sorry. Let's just take this back. Sorry guys, got a bit messed up there. So we got a daily support there, right there, and another one here. Although I'm not expecting this one the first one here to be something of importance. If we start losing here, I'm looking at this zone. Although this is already tested, so this trend line, and then 33k fib level, and then possibly lower levels. So on the 4-hour, structure wise, we did try to make a higher low. See, so this was really good last night, because you see all the way down here, every time we would hold, make a higher low, go up, tried, came down, but then eventually provide some type of bounce. This time we made lower highs and now kind of higher lows. So this was a bit, this gave us some some type of confidence, like, oh, we're gonna start moving, but still waiting. And now we need to like test it here and then try to go up. But our key resistance areas, let's just take the EMAs again. See on the 4 hour here, 40k to 41.5. So basically Bitcoin needs to move above here and go up to flip this 42 to really completely change structure. Everybody's really bearish and starting to flip really bearish. So yeah, it's the situation is bearish completely, but if price could make this something like that, something like this, holding here, that would give me some kind of, confidence, because we would be ranging, creating some sort of a range between 39k and 40k for a few days, and then try to go up, because it's impossible at this zone to just start pushing. If we get a really big volume push up, it usually ends up as a swing failure pattern, just to burn late shorts, all this liquidity from shorts here and there, take those stops, make a swing failure, and then dump heavy. That's if so. I would be confident in longs only if I see some structure building slowly, like this. Flip a level, test it, retest it, go up, come back down, hold it, make some kind of a support, some structure, and then a break. That would be a bullish sign for me. A fast move up, it would be just a liquidity grab, and I would be looking for a short entry if that happens. So if we start pushing strongly, like moves, big volume candles, 1, 2, that would be a more of fake out feeling for me. I would obviously not short blindly. I would wait for a swing failure pattern, wait for the setup to get into it. So yeah, that's in a nutshell, and I don't want to keep it long. We did see some coins moving really nicely in the last few days, and we did took partial advantage. Me personally, I took partial advantage. ENS really hurt me not catching it, but yeah, you live and you do with it. So hope you guys found value from the stream, and keep updated and keep safe, guys. Keep holding on to your stables and don't overexpose. Yeah, catch you later. Bye.